ain't enough. Now too much hot rod to get you chip. Too much dog in the wall and kick it. Too much hide and not fun. Too much you know won't blind you. Too much risk what to make you hurry. Too much waiting will make you weary. Too much tobacco will cancer. Too much cocaine that is the answer. Too much ain't enough. Too much ain't enough. Baby, you're the only thing I do. But too much just ain't enough. Now too much walk with your shoes out. Too much juice to blow your blues out. Too much Mexican food to fill ya. Too much honky tonk to kill you. Too much chip to your shoulder and too much birthdays that make you older. Too much math always lost me. Too much fun always cost me too much. Ain't enough. Ain't enough. Baby, you're the only thing I do. But too much just ain't enough. There's gonna be a test on it. Too much what? Will make it do what?
Ain't enough.
There's morning when I left South Alabama. I'm looking around in July. Then I got behind this chicken truck from Georgia. And the finish was flying like snow out of the sky. Chicken truck, hotter on truck, chicken truck, just my luck. Chicken truck, Highway 69. Where's the very good taking the wind was pushing and slow me down. Chicken truck, Highway 69. But I couldn't get up to the street passing. This funny smell keeps getting close to me. And something keeps on messing up my windshield. And the further I go, the harder it gets to see. Chicken truck, smiling on stuff. Chicken truck, just smiling. Chicken truck on Highway 69. Where the hens was clucking and the rooster was crowing and slowing me down. Chicken truck, Highway 69. Till I finally found out that I was in Tennessee. Coming down the hill just south of Tennessee. Box of burgers, 7 windows on his dashboard. He was eating fried chicken and throwing the phones on his goddamn chicken truck.